Python is a high-level, interpreted, and dynamically typed programming language. It was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages. Python is known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility, making it a popular choice for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Now talking about web development, Python can be used to build server-side web applications, and it has numerous web frameworks, such as Django and Flask, that make it easier to build and deploy web applications. Coming to usability of Python for data analysis and visualization, Python has many libraries, such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, that make it easier to process, analyze, and visualize data. It is widely used in data science and machine learning. Again, under scientific computing, Python has numerous libraries, such as SciPy and NumPy, that make it easier to perform numerical and scientific computing tasks. Python also has many libraries, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, that make it easier to develop and train machine learning models under artificial intelligence and machine learning. For desktop GUI applications, Python can be used to build desktop graphical user interface (GUI) applications, using libraries such as tkinter and pyqt. Talking about Python for gaming, using libraries such as Pygame, we can easily build interactive games. Now, do you know Python's usability under network and security? Well, Python has many libraries, such as Scapy and Paramiko, that make it easier to perform network programming and security tasks. These are just a few examples of the many tasks and applications that Python can be used for. Its simplicity, readability, and versatility make it a popular choice for a wide range of programming tasks.